Hello there and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video. And in this video, I want to show you how you can dynamically display the title based on the drill through field selection. So what I mean by that is, let's say you have this subcategories and you want to see the trend of, let's say, whatever category is present here, like appliances. So if you right click over here, basically what it gives right now, it is not giving, but once the drill through option is enabled, which I will show you in a minute, it basically allows you to go to a page, let's say in this case page 4. So what it will show is appliances, basically over here, the line chart only based on the appliances selection. And generally, once you configure, you are able to see that. But what you are not able to see is basically the title on top of that. So if you want to show the title, how do you do that? I will show you, because drill through is already I have shown in my previous video, but this I feel like will be an added advantage, because generally once you do that, you have to back and forth to look at, oh, what you have selected, and then you come back over here. Rather than that, you should have something like a title over here, which will show the relevant values or the category value based on which the chart has been filtered. All right, so that's what I want to show you over here. And before that, just a quick information that you have this sheet present in the description so that you can easily search any tutorial that I am posting here, or I posted previously, or I will be posting in the future. Everything will be present here along with the link in the column B, so that you can continue or you resume learning if, let's say, you have stopped, or you can keep it like a bookmark so that it's available to you whenever you want to search something related to the Power BI. All right, with that, let's go back. So over here, first thing first, enable the drill through. So drill through should be enabled in the based on the page. So right now nothing is selected on this page. We need to add a drill through field. So drill through is based on subcategory. Why? Because we want to enable the drill through here, and this is nothing but the subcategory. So page 4, you have drill through option over here. Now you see all these options are coming, which is also present here. Now, if I want to see something related to the bookcases or the trend, I will right click. Now the drill through option is coming, as you can see, and it is asking us to, or it is telling us to basically go to the page number 4. This page number 4 where we had enabled or added the drill through field. So we click on that, and this chart is now filtered based on this. But think about this. Let's say I forget completely about it what I selected, so I need to go back. And here there is no indication to me that based on what selection I have come over here. So to basically take care of that thing, what you need to do is you need to create a card. Once you, let's say, select the card, and what you do is add the subcategory, and this will basically shows you that bookcases is basically what we have selected. Now let's go back to page 3 and try changing something else to furnishing. Let's say right click, drill through, page 4, and now this is furnishing. So that's mainly I wanted to show you how you can add more user friendly and relevant to the user report, so that no back and forth happen based on the drill through. However, you basically get the most out, or your user get the most out of your reports. So that's mainly I wanted to show you, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.